Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust carpet cleaning settings on your Aqua 10 roller. To adjust carpet cleaning settings, you can either adjust them globally so all carpets will be cleaned the same way, or you can click on a certain carpet in order to change its settings. Let's do the second one first. So when I click on a carpet, I can change the carpet cleaning mode. I can click on it here and then apply it to the currently selected carpet. I can select vacuum, so it'll vacuum it without mopping, and you can set it to mop rise and select to carpet boost, so it'll increase the suction power. You can set intensive carpet cleaning, so it will clean the carpets twice, or clean carpets first, so it'll clean the carpets, later on it'll begin cleaning the other parts of your home. You can also set it instead of that to avoid, so it'll just avoid the carpets, as you can see on the animation. You can set it to ignore it, so they'll just mop on the carpets as if there was no carpet, or crossing carpets, so it will just cross them without cleaning them. Yeah, that's basically it. And you can also do 3 dots in top right corner, then carpet settings, and these are global settings which will be applied to all carpets, and they're the same settings. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.